Add the clarified butter or ghee in a bowl. Add the butter at the room temperature. Adding icing sugar in it. Using a spatula, mix it a little bit. And then beat it until the color goes pale and you get a very smooth paste. Add the egg yolks. Add the cardamom powder. Adding saffron. And mix everything well. Into the yogurt, we add the baking powder and mix it. Wait for 1 minute. After about 30 seconds or 1 minute, we're adding the yogurt to the mixture. Mix well. Then add the flour to the mixture. Mix it with a spatula. Then knead with your hand until you form a smooth dough. Make the dough into the round shape. Transfer it over the plastic wrap. Cover it with another wrap and spread the dough to the thickness of 1 centimeter. Remove the plastic. Using your favorite cookie cutter, just cut the dough and place it over the baking tray. To make the special syrup, add the egg yolk, add the yogurt, honey, and saffron, and mix everything together. After you finished cutting the cookies, now we are going to cover the top of the cookies with a special syrup. You can sprinkle some sesame seed over them as well. Transfer the cookies to the preheated oven of 180 centigrade or 350 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes or 15, and for 2 minutes to the last stage, please open the grill to make the top golden. Our cookies are done, guys. You can let it to be golden on the top if you like more. I didn't want it to do it more, and you can see I didn't want it to do it more darker than what they are. As soon as they're out of oven, they are ready to serve, and you can just touch them. It's okay, and yeah, you can just have it with tea and enjoy.